In this video, I'm going to I showcase my one of the current project that I have been worked yesterday and completed recently. It's like completed yesterday. It's like a Insta Hub. In this project, we can upload some kind of image from our file explorer to the cloud. Like in that, I have used AWS S3 bucket. AWS one of the AWS services like S3 for this project. It's demonstrated how can I focus this website. Like how can I done this? Okay, let's get into it. This project consists of mainly two pages. One is home and another one is post pages. On home page, you can simply see what are the images and username and caption that have been added, that have been called the API like /all, which really give the all data from the backend. Let's see how this is achieved. First of all, this project is developed React.js for the front end, and for the back end I have used Node.js and Express.js for back end, and for the database I have used MongoDB and for storing file related information I have used Amazon's one of the services like S3 simple storage service, which provides me the bucket in which you have to store some kind of file on the cloud. Let's see how can this achieved. Click over to the add new post section and add a new image. I simply add a John Cena image and give name for name and give one of the caption and hit submit, which really makes one kind of API call, which consists of three related information, which is basically form data, which consists of three related information, which is image, full name, caption. Image files in the form of binary, and full name and caption are in the form of string. Once we created work in backend and front end. Coming back to post section, we have to send our file to the server with the help of form data, because in server they does not know how to parse some kind of files like image PNG files. For that, Multer is really useful to parse the file that have been given from the front end. To parse this kind of form data, the files, we have to the content type must be in the format of multi-part form data. So I have created one form data and append the file data full name and caption to the form data and call the API request and send the form data to the server. In server, Multer is really useful to parse the incoming. Multer is a really good library that can be helpful to parse the incoming file from the front end and stored in the parsed file to the memory storage. This is basically give the file to the file to the memory storage and give us a buffer in the buffer format. With the help of buffer format, we send the buffer to the S3 cloud. For that, the params consist of bucket name, key, body, and content type. For sending and the file related information to the cloud, I have used a put update command from S3 bucket from AWS SDK client S3, and simply send the command to the cloud, which really send the information to the cloud. and this is the URL when we get back when the file upload is successful, and also create one object document to the MongoDB full name, caption, post equal image name. Let's see how it can work. There are two images, there are two documents that have been updated in the MongoDB database. You upload some that kind of data like that. Let's say request a new API call, which is new, which is in currently pending state. Okay, status okay. When you really come to home, you can see new images have been uploaded to the front end. When we really hit the delete button, which requires two API calls. One is the current ID and all to switch the all literal information. This is the delete function. Give the bucket name and image name. Delete command really helpful to delete the object in the S3 and very delete. That's a really helpful command. Delete the file from documents from the MongoDB. That's all in this video. See you in the next one.